Hey besties, welcome back to my space. I'm Bonne Helene and I'm back again with another video. So today we'll go straight to the point. First off, I want to thank everybody who has been supporting me. To my old subscribers, I thank you so much for sticking with me. To the new ones, you're welcome to the family. On here, we do a lot of things. We do DIYs, we do skincare, and everything in between. So you're welcome. If you like to watch skincare, if you like to watch DIY, soap making, all those kind of things, you are definitely in the right place. So let's go straight into the video. No long talk. We'll be talking about the tea tree face wash today. So some time back, I came on here and I introduced the products that I was going to be using to start my skincare journey, even though my skincare journey is kind of on a halt because of too much heat and I don't see myself applying products on my body because the heat is hitting. So back to what we're saying, tea tree face wash. Who can use it? Is it for fair people? Is it for dark skinned people? So it's for everybody. It's for sorry, somebody was calling me while I was doing a video. So will it lighten your skin? No. Would it darken you if you're light? No. Is it harsh on the skin? No. Is it mild on the skin? Yes. So I have pretty sensitive skin. This foaming wash, it's been a journey. So why I recommend this face wash is because it is mild. Like there are no harsh ingredients in it. It's just a foaming wash. This is how it looks like if I haven't showed you the container. And it helps to cleanse your skin and leaves your skin healthy. There's not much to it. It's just formulated to help cleanse and refresh your skin and to smoothen your skin. So sorry, I got a call and I had to stop. Back to what I was saying. So with this facial wash, trust me, it doesn't really solve acne problems or aggravate it. But what I know from my own review of how I've used it and everything, if you're suffering from white patches on your face, this is perfect for you. It will cleanse those white patches. You'll not see them again. If you have white heads and black heads, trust me, I used to have lots of them. I think maybe I'll insert a video of this before I started using these and how my face used to look like. Like I said, my face is not perfect. It's not where I want it to be, but the progress is really, really commendable. So if you have white patches, those white patches that look like eczema thingy, it's going to eradicate it for you. If you have white heads, black heads, this facial wash is so perfect. Like each time I use it, after I touch my face and it feels like a baby's behind. If you ever touched a baby's butt before, you understand what I'm saying. So that's that for this product. If you want to treat like severe acne, don't use it. If you are looking for a face wash that is going to brighten you, this is not going to do it for you. You might have to look for something else. But if you are looking for something that is cleansing, soothing, and is not harsh to the skin, then you can definitely go for this. And trust me, it is really, really affordable. I got this for 2,000. Yeah, 2,000. You can get it for 2,005, 2,000. You can even get it for 1,500, depending on your vendor, depending on your supplier. Is it vendor or supplier? On your beauty supplier, whatever. It's depending on the person whom you get your things from. It's really, really cheap. And it doesn't have a harsh smell, like it's not fragrant hair. It's just that's earthy kind of smell, like you're in a garden. Is it a garden? Yes. Like you're in a forest and water is just there's a stream passing and the leaves are just that natural smell. That is how it scents. It doesn't have any strong and I have been using other cleansers on my face and it always gives me that tingly effect, like something is pinching me. But with this, it's so soothing. So if you have sensitive skin, you can go for this. If you have dry skin or oily skin, you can go for this. I don't know, some people complain that it dries them out, but I have dry, sensitive skin. But this doesn't dries me out. It just leaves my face soft and plump. So without much talking, I'll give this product. I've used about two different products, but I'll give this product for me, it's 8.5 over 10. Maybe when I use other things, I'll come and tell you, but for me, so far, this is the best for me was I've used in a long time. Or this is the best facial wash I've used in a very long time. So if you have watched up to this time and you enjoyed the video, if there's anything I left out, what did I leave out? Nothing. It's just cleansing, it's soothing, it's mild, it's good for all skin types. Don't expect to be fair using this, don't expect to be dark. It's just so nice. So thank you all for watching, and please, if you're not subscribed, tell me where to subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye bye.